Do bats really drink blood? Are goldfish totally forgetful? You've been lied to. We're busting 7 huge animal myths. Get ready to have your brain defogged. Let's start with a classic, the saying blind as a bat. We've all heard it, but it couldn't be further from the truth. Bats are not blind at all. They use an amazing skill called echolocation, sending out sound waves and listening for echoes to navigate in the dark. But here's what most people don't know. Many bat species also have really good eyesight, some even better than ours in low light. Their eyes may be small, but they see perfectly fine. So next time you see a bat swooping around, remember, it can definitely see you. Now let's talk about ostriches. You've probably seen cartoons showing them burying their heads in the sand whenever they're scared. It's a funny image, but it's totally false. Ostriches never bury their heads. When they sense danger, they lie flat and stretch their long necks along the ground to blend in with the surroundings. From a distance, it looks like a small mound, but it's really a smart camouflage trick. They also dig nests in the dirt to protect their eggs. When they bend down to turn the eggs with their beaks, it looks like their heads are underground, which probably started the myth in the first place. In reality, ostriches are clever, not cowardly. Next up, chameleons, nature's color-changing masters. Most people think chameleons change color only to hide from predators, but that's not really true. While camouflage is one reason, it's actually not the main one. Chameleons change colors to express their mood, control their body temperature, and even talk to other chameleons. A confident male will flash bright, bold colors to show dominance, while a calm or submissive one turns dull to stay out of trouble. So when a chameleon changes color, you're not seeing it disappear into the background. You're seeing it show its emotions in real time. Here's a weird one, the myth that lemmings commit mass suicide. This story actually became famous because of an old Disney documentary that completely staged the scene. The truth is, lemmings don't intentionally jump off cliffs. What really happens is that they migrate when their population becomes too large. During migration, a few may accidentally fall from cliffs or drown while crossing rivers. But it's not on purpose. They're not suicidal thrill seekers. They're just little travelers searching for new territory and food. So next time someone says, "Don't be a lemming," you'll know they've got it wrong. Let's move on to another famous myth, the idea that fish only have a 3-second memory. Poor fish, right? People think they instantly forget everything, but that's completely false. Studies show that fish can actually remember things for months. They recognize their owners, learn feeding times, and even figure out how to escape mazes. Some fish can remember other fish they've met before. So when your pet fish swims up to the glass, when it sees you, it's not random. It remembers you're the one who brings the food. Next up, bulls and the color red. You've seen it in bullfights and cartoons. The furious bull charging straight at the red cape. But here's the truth. Bulls are actually colorblind to red. They can't even see that color the way we do. What really makes them charge is movement. The matador's dramatic waving of the cloth grabs their attention and triggers their reaction. If you waved a blue or green flag the same way, the bull would react exactly the same. So it's not about color at all. It's the motion that sets them off. And now for one of the creepiest myths ever, that we swallow spiders in our sleep. You've probably heard that humans swallow about 8 spiders a year while they're sleeping. Sounds horrifying, right? Luckily, it's totally fake. Spiders want nothing to do with humans. The sound of our breathing, our heartbeat, and even our body heat actually scare them away. They're far more likely to run from you than crawl into your mouth. This myth started as a joke that spread online years ago, but somehow it stuck. So you can finally relax. No spider wants to hang out on your face while you sleep. And there you have it. 7 of the biggest animal myths completely busted. From bats with better eyesight than you think, to fish with memories that last months, to spiders that would rather keep their distance. The truth is often even cooler than the myths. Animals are full of surprises, and learning the real facts makes them even more amazing. So, which of these myths shocked you the most? Was it the bats, the chameleons, or maybe the fish? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, the world is full of wild truths if you just look a little closer.